Let's start coloring by learning the names of color. Here is orange color, purple color, pink color, green color, blue color, parrot color, yellow color, and the last one is red color. Now let's color the elephant. And what sound does an elephant make? An elephant says, how many elephants can you see here? Here are 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 elephants.